Hi guys, my name is Matt, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your Ridemakerz Ride. So here we have our SWAT RZ Blitz that we're going to be using for a demonstration, and we're going to be putting all of these accessories on this ride. So on the bottom of the ride you can see there's little slots on the front, on the sides, and then also in the back. All of these will be able to fit accessories in them. All right, so we're going to start with the front. See the little slots there? We're going to put the police grill guard on there by inserting the post into the slots. So on the sides, you can put either light up side pipes that we have here, or there's regular side pipes. These light up side pipes have a metal tab in the middle that you want to make sure is facing down, that touches the metal tabs inside the slots on the bottom of the chassis. And then these are the regular side pipes that just have the two posts that go in the two outer slots on the chassis. On the back, you can either install muffler tips or a wheelie bar. Here we have muffler tips that have a post right in the middle that's going to go into the slot on the back. Now there's two muffler tips and there's two slots, so you would be putting the two muffler tips on the back of your ride. And then here's the wheelie bar that has the two posts on it, which is going to insert into those same two slots that we put the two muffler tips into. So here we are on the top of the car. This is where you can replace the spoiler, you can add a hood scoop, or a light bar on the top. So to remove the spoiler, you're going to pull straight up till the little pegs come out of the little holes that it's inserted into. And then to insert your new spoiler, you want to make sure the pegs on the bottom of the spoiler line up with the holes inside the car and snap it down into place like this. So next we're going to be putting a hood scoop on the hood. All of our bodies have a pre-installed stock hood piece, which is just a magnet that pulls right out. Our engines or our hood scoops also have magnets pre-installed in them. So they don't need to be pushed down, they just simply stick into place with the magnets that are installed in the ride body, connecting to the magnets that are installed in the hood pieces. And then last, we're going to be putting on our police light bar. This also just has magnets installed in the light bar, connecting to two magnets installed in the roof of the car. You push down on the middle black part there to activate the lights, and the lights do go off automatically. Okay, and there we go. We have our fully customized SWAT RZ Blitz. You can activate the headlights, the taillights, and the side lights by pushing down on the hood scoop, or if it's remote control when you drive the car. And again, the police light bar on the top, you activate by pushing on the top. Well, thanks for watching this video, and have fun customizing your ride.